Good morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX Daily Outlook for Wednesday, February 25th. The euro traded a tad higher against the US dollar and closed at 1.1339. Data indicated that Germany's GDP expanded 0.7% on a quarterly basis in the fourth quarter 2014, in line with market expectations and following a 0.1% growth registered in the prior quarter, thus highlighting that the nation still remained as the main growth engine behind Europe's economic recovery. Meanwhile, Greece managed to clinch a much-needed 4-month loan extension thanks to the country's Eurozone creditors who approved of the reform plan after the nation pledged to give away few proposed measures and ensure that the government spending plan would not mess with this budget. The greenback traded on a weaker footing after the US Fed Chairwoman Janet Yellen indicated that the central bank was anticipated to remain patient in deciding over the timing of an interest rate raise in the nation, although adding that a change in the central bank's policy stance was likely on a meeting-by-meeting basis. The pair is expected to find support at 1.1305, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.1261. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.1376, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.1403. Trading trends in the euro today are expected to be determined by the ECB President Mario Draghi's speech scheduled later today. Additionally, the Fed Chairperson Janet Yellen's speech would also grab a lot of market attention, scheduled later today. The British pound traded a tad lower against the US dollar and closed at 1.5450. Yesterday, the Bank of England Governor Mark Carney stated that Britain's low inflation was temporary and would likely return to its 2% target within 2 years. Additionally, he shrugged off concerns of deferred consumption in the UK by hinting that he saw no evidence of consumers delaying their purchases in anticipation of a further fall in domestic prices. The pair is expected to find support at 1.5424, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.5373. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.5503, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.5532. Trading trends in the pound today are expected to be determined by various speeches to be made by the officials of Bank of England, scheduled in a few hours. The US dollar strengthened 0.09% against the Japanese yen and closed at 118.97. The pair is expected to find support at 118.27, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 117.83. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 119.51, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 120.30. The Australian dollar strengthened 0.33% against the US dollar to close at 0.7828. Early morning data show that in China, Australia's biggest trading partner, the HSBC manufacturing PMI unexpectedly came out of negative territory and hit a 4-month high of 50.1 in February, beating market expectations. The pair is expected to find supports at 0.7783, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 0.7687. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 0.7931, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.7984. Amid the light economic calendar in Australia this week, investor sentiment will be governed by global macroeconomic news. Gold prices traded lower by 0.08% against the US dollar at $1201.40 per ounce, as a strong rally in the global equity markets somewhat dented the safe haven appeal of the precious metal. The pair is expected to find support at 1196.16, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1183.03. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1216.26, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1223.23. CommexFX is now offering a new application. Download the brand new CommexFX TradeMate app right now and receive daily market information, suggested market directions to trade on, highlighted best trading options, and more, covering a wide range of markets, including energy, metals, indices, and forex, among others. Trade easily, trade successfully. For more information on CommexFX trade method, kindly visit our main website www.commexfx.com. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube and CommexFX TV channels. Have a great trading day.